Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your credit card with BMO Harris Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your credit card with BMO Harris Bank, begin by visiting their official website. Locate the login button in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access your account. If you do not have your login credentials, select the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a new page where you can enter your email address. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset link via email. Check your inbox for the email from BMO Harris Bank. Open the email and click on the password reset link. Create a new password that meets the required criteria. Return to the login page and enter your email address and new password. Click on the login button. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Find the option that says Report Lost or Stolen Card. Select this option to begin the card recovery process. Follow the instructions provided to report your credit card. You may need to provide some personal information for verification purposes. After confirming your identity, request a replacement card. Review any additional options or settings related to your account security. Once submitted, wait for a confirmation regarding your request. Monitor your email for updates on your new card status. Your new credit card should arrive within the timeframe specified by the bank. Once you receive your card, activate it following the included instructions. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing your card is secure and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.